चलो, so in this problem what we have to do, we have to just see the sum commutation. So we will just go for, इसमें मैं x वाला कर लेता हूं, इसमें मैं py वाला कर लेता हूं, and then we will go for another one. ठीक है? So LZ x, what is your LZ? LZ क्या होता है भाई? What is your LZ? x py minus y px. तो ये दिमाग में रखोगे, है ना? So this is your x py minus y px, and you have x is there, है ना? You can take capital X, don't worry. So which, this will be 0, only this is going to survive. So if this is going to survive, then what is going to happen? Minus y, and you have two commutation between px and x. So px x is what? Minus I h cat. So this value is equal to I h cat y. Yes, very simple. Similarly, you can go for another also. Clear है ये? Let us try to go for LZ py. LZ py. So what is LZ py? X py minus y px and py. So which is going to survive there? Again, second one is going to survive there. All other will be 0 because they are not canonically variable, है ना? X px ही बचेगा, y py बचेगा, बाकी सारे चीज क्या हो जाएंगे? That will be 0. So what do you have? Minus y py, and here we have px. Y py is what? I h cat. So that value is minus I h cat px. So this will be there. Okay. And next will be very interesting. You have to just talk about LZ and R square. So this is directly, I can say this is 0. Why? Because this is, I can assume this is some potential of R square, that is only function of R. So if it is only function of R, this is what? Central potential, and we know that LZ component is conserved for a central commute, then it must be 0. It must be 0. So that value. Otherwise, you can also, you can directly measure simultaneously LZ and R square. ये दोनों को आप एक साथ measure कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Because LZ is what? Conserved quantity. So you can measure it simultaneously. Otherwise, you can just go for LZ x square. Similarly, you will go for LZ y square, and LZ z square will be 0. तो LZ x square करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? What is this? Y px minus x py, and you have x square. So which one is going to survive there? This one. So you have y px x square. What is this value? Px x square is minus 2I h cat x. So you have y and minus 2I h cat x. So what is this value? This value is equal to minus 2I h cat x. And similarly, you have LZ y square will be, यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? So that value will be get you plus 2I h cat x and y and x, ठीक है? And again you will get x and y, but x, y and y x is commuting, so आप दोनों को लिख सकते हो. So when you are adding it and you have what? LZ z square will 100% 0. दोनों को ऐड करोगे then this value is equal to 0. ठीक है? वहां से भी आप इजिली बात कर सकते हो. क्लियर है? थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. H is equal to P square by 2m as V commute with all three component of Ly, Lz. क्या commute करेगा ये? Yes. Why? Because this is central force potential. Potential कैसा दिया हुआ है? Central force. So if it is central force, then Lz commute is conserved. So it has to commute with Hamiltonian. ठीक है? So जो भी conserve होगा वो Hamiltonian के साथ क्या करेगा? Conserve करेगा ही करेगा. ठीक है? So you can easily have this. चलो.